Hey, good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Simple Stock fam. Today's March 31st, 2026, and we are looking at the IWM. Hey guys, if you look at my current chart, I just want to point some things out real fast. I'll let you guys know what I'm actually monitoring. This right here, this is our April 2025 low tariff, right? All the way to current. So I'm monitoring that. If you look at that happy area. That happy area is where this 0.5 is 221. So that's 50% of that retracement. So obviously, you know what I mean? Please have that on your radar. And what I've been doing is going through my settings and for that specific fib, naming it the April 2025 tariff retracement there. Same thing here. This is our November low to current. This is a whole nother fib. So from this low to this high, so on and so forth. If you look at it, where's our happy spot for this fib? 250.09. Okay, that's our 50, and we're currently trading right around the 245. If you look at that properly, correctly. So if you move that over a little bit, you guys can see that. Let me zoom in. Okay, so that's our 0.50, 618 is about 245. We're looking to get back to the 245, which is also what we found also was our must hold here. Okay, so everything lines up, right? So that's good. So please have your charts. You know what I mean? I'm sorry, please update your charts if you need to update them, so on and so forth. Let's zoom into a 2 hour. Here's our box from last Monday. If you guys see it, we're still in there. We do have a gap up from overnight. I don't know how much I believe in that gap up. So obviously play your levels. I do know once we get back into this area here, because of this candle, I will be looking to short above 245. Okay. I just don't know how much I believe in that action. And look, we do have a gap fill here, man. So it wouldn't surprise me for us to open up, bounce again, and try to look to fill right to the top of this, which looks like about 239.63. Okay, that would not surprise me. If we get to this area, I would say this is a buy. Okay, so this is going to be our buy area right here, about 239.55, and try to come back in here to reclose these candles. Okay, there's no guarantee we are going to come back to fill this gap. So I mean, head on the swivel, take it slow. You know what I mean? But we're trading levels, you guys. So be patient. You know what I mean? If you believe that this gap doesn't really hold, you know what I mean? Obviously play to the downside. You know what I mean? Get into about 239-ish, 240, get out. You know what I mean? But once you get back in this area, expect them to try to hold this area. You know what I mean? And to try to make to come back here. And I was just looking at some patterns, man, that they were doing last few days. And look at this one, guys. Look at this. And look at this. Look at this gap up, come back, big candle down, loses it, make a lower low. Gap up, fill down. So can we be repeating this exact pattern right here? That is a question, because look at that wick right there, look at that wick, da da da, and then they came all the way down. So listen, guys, head on the swivel. That's just what I'm looking at today. Take it slow. But you got your call area, you got your put area. You know what I mean? Depending on your conviction, I know some people are looking to make their make a buy just in case Trump does say something as far as what I mean. He's going to end this war, but currently it does not look that way. I don't see how you go to open up that. I'm sorry, I don't see how you end the war without going with what you came for, leaving without what you came for, should we say? So that's just my thoughts, you guys. I was looking at game and everything as well earlier, but at the end of the day, look, they do want to buy this up. What do we come back down before we start to fill these candles? That's a question to go back to the upside. This is a look at the XLs. This is a look at the mags right here. And these are 2 hour charts that we're looking at. So, head on a swivel, play it slow, take it slow. Trade levels, not emotions. Okay. Trade levels, not emotions. Other than that, if you guys got questions, hit me in the comments. But other than that, happy trading.